Hi friends, welcome to this question. The question is, which of the following are not state functions? Right? Are not state function, they asked. Not state function, not state functions. Right? So we have two kind of function. One is state function. Other one is path function. Other one is what? Path function. You should know the difference. What is state function? State function are nothing but they depend upon the initial state and final state. They depend only upon initial state or final state. In between they won't bother about. Whereas path function means they remember the path initially, how they were there and how they followed that path to get their final state, right? So they depend upon path. They depend upon path, whereas state function, they don't depend upon path. They don't depend upon path. For example, see, let me explain about path function first. See, here I have a height like this, right? So this is the height I have. So to reach that height, see, if I stand here, my energy, let us think that my energy is how much? It is 10 unit. If I stand here, my energy is how much? My energy is 50 unit. Right. So if I stand here initially 10 unit, if I stand here it is 15 unit. Right. So it is state function. Right. So it doesn't depend upon the path. So but to reach here, few factors are there. Right. I can go with lift. Directly I can reach here by lift. Or otherwise I will be having what? Steps. I have to climb that step to reach this height. So if I go with lift, I won't spend much energy. I can easily reach the final. But here if I go by with the step, I have to spend energy, right? So this work done is a path function, right? What path function? Work done is nothing but it depends upon the path, how I have reached that height. If I go with lift, the work is less. If I climb with the help of steps, the work is more. So work is what? Path function. Similarly, heat is also a path function, right? Heat means what? Q I have written. It is also a path function. But the surprisingly, the sum of work done and heat is nothing but the internal energy. That is state function, right? That is what? State function. Both these are path function, but the internal energy is state function. Similarly, Gibbs free energy, delta G, change in Gibbs free energy, right? So Gibbs free energy, enthalpy, entropy, and this internal energy, all these are what? All these are nothing but the state functions. So path function, which you have to remember, only work done and the heat are the path function. So here question is, which are not state function, they ask. Not statement function means they should be path function. What are path function? We know that only work done and heat. So here is the Q, that is work done, and W is the work done and Q is the heat. So these are the answers. Q plus W is nothing but internal energy. Internal energy is state function. So it is not the path function. H minus T delta is nothing but Gibbs free energy, which is also not the path function, right? So the path functions are W and Q. Path functions are nothing but the not state functions, right? So options should be 2 and 3, right? Q and W means 2 and 3. So I have to search for 2 and 3 only. So B is the correct option for this answer. Thank you.